Welcome to the official unboxing of the brand spanking new Rizoma Cut Edge. Officially being offered here at MotovationUSA. Hit the link in the description down below and grab one today. Limited quantities. These things are freaking dope. Let's get to the unboxing. I'll show you what's in here. Take a quick look. Anodized in black. Fit and finish is always amazing. Packaging, always impressive. We're gonna do a install on the Street Fighter V4S so you can see how it fits the aesthetics of that bike naturally, and this is why I highly recommend that you grab this bar and mirror by Rizoma, guys. It fits the aesthetic of that motorcycle as if it was meant to be. This is a signature glass by Rizoma. Speaking from my own experience, they are my favorite bar and mirrors that you can buy that's on the market. I currently have the Rizoma Spy R. I also have the Rizoma Stealth on my Street Fighter. Guys, their bar and mirrors or mirror selection are very unique and distinct. This has a blue tint, guys. You can see nice and clear. There's no buzzing, there's no flaring up. And again, these guys are known in the business, in the game, for producing out of this world level of quality fit and finish for each one of these pieces. And keep in mind, these things do not fade. They will not change the color. I have several Rizoma pieces across all my motorcycles, and they've stood the test of time. They will not fade. They will not lose color. The black's not gonna become purple. It's gonna withhold its value and quality, fit and finish over time. And of course, this is anodized in black. You can mount this several ways, guys. It's not just the one way. Ideally, you want to have it both on your left hand side of the bike and the right hand side of the bike. You can grab them at Motovation USA. Link will be in the description down below. But for me, you know, your boy got to be out here styling a little bit. We're going to be rocking it first off on one side of the bike, the left hand side. It can be mounted in multiple ways. It could be mounted upside down. It could be mounted right side up. And you have full adjustability, right? You could turn it, rotate it. You could also just shift the actual unit up and down. Shift that up or down, and you do have another axle to kind of rotate. So this gives you full motion. And what I'm really digging about this Rizoma Cut Edge, guys, it felt like Rizoma took a cue out of Ducati's design book, or at least their design cues. They've actually managed to make a bar and mirror that fit the aesthetic of the Street Fighter V4S or the Street Fighter V4, Panigale V4, V4S, SP, pretty much across that line. If you're rocking one of those bikes, this is the mirror that should be on that bike if you don't go with a Rizoma Stealth mirror, which is just as dope as well, guys. Really, really love this piece. It's a work of art. Of course, super thin, absolutely incredible. The level of thinness they managed to create this thing in. Take a look at the hardware that's going to be required for you to install the bar and mirrors. They do include quite a few things. Some of the finer details right here on the glass. This is Rizoma high definition glass, as you have that bluish tint, which is great. No flaring. Items that are actually close to you, you will be able to tell that they are actually close. So, you know, head checking is still necessary, but just know that the vision, what you're seeing through these bar and mirrors are going to be true. I've trusted my line of sight with Rizoma for years on all my other bikes. I could tell you it's not going to be any different with this cut edge bar and mirror, man. I am so stoked for this, and I am so amazed as to how flat they managed to get this mirror and how Rizoma has slowly evolved their design cues based on what the brands are doing out on the market. And they're one of the few that does it really right. Shout outs to them, man. Very excited to get this on. Grab this, go to the site. We have limited quantity. You want to be the first one out there to have one of these Rizoma Cut Edge mirrors on. And I know I will. So keep an eye out when you see me out here in New York with a Street Fighter. My excitement is one thing, but seeing this in true life and seeing the fit and finish, the quality, it's another. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short unboxing video of the new premium Rizoma Cut Edge bar and mirrors. So dope.